welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going over my millionaire routine, and I'm also going to be unboxing a new shipment from a well-known company that I now have an endorsement with. So let's get right into this video. We're not going to waste any time, so let's go. Okay, listen, I'm such a realist. I was not gonna fake record myself waking up because that's just an insult. So the next thing I do when I really wake up is make my bed. And I do this because, for one, it stops me from getting back in the bed, because that's definitely something that I would do. And it also just gives me a good sense of discipline. If I can get used to doing the same thing every single day, that can create healthy habits for my millionaire routine. And plus, I just like how my bed looks made up. I love having a lot of pillows and everything. So after I make my bed, I typically go to my journal and I write down 10 things that I'm thankful for. And of course, everyone's list is going to look different from the others, especially according to how you live your life, how you view the world, and just where you are in your life. A couple examples of things that I'm normally thankful for are just waking up that morning and having another day, thankful for my business, thankful for my clients, I'm thankful for having the mindset that I have, I'm thankful for the luxuries of life as far as health and even wealth. But I think health is very underestimated. I don't think we realize how blessed we are to just have a good bill of health, to where we're able to work out, we're able to walk around, we're able to do physical activities. And one thing I've learned about making my list is not to compare what I'm thankful for as to someone else. Meaning we should be thankful for what we have regardless of the circumstances of others. So for an example, we should be thankful that we're able to walk, and not just because there are people that are not able to walk. And we should be thankful for the fact that we are able to eat, and not because there's people that aren't able to eat. And we should be thankful for things like having good health, but not just because there are people in this world that are sick. So after I'm done with my list, it's time to really have some fun and start the day. But when I was recording this video, I got a shipment from a brand endorsement, and y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek, so check this out. So I've actually used this brand before. It's called, okay, please don't be mad at me. Y'all know this brand, right? Okay, I don't know if it's Veyelash, I don't know, but I've used this brand before, and they sent me like an entire package. So I'm going to be using these lashes probably tomorrow on a client, and I'm going to record it, do a good review on it. And y'all, they sent me just some classic extensions and volume as well, tweezers, all that. So I don't want to show too much because I'm actually going to do an unboxing, and I'm probably gonna put that in this video too, okay? But let's get dressed and we're gonna finish this entire routine. So let's get to it. Okay, I know y'all are probably like, how do you find anything in that closet? Listen, some way, somehow, no matter how messy it gets, I find the coziest outfits in here, and it literally takes me no time to get dressed. And quite frankly, I like to dress comfortable because I'm just walking to the computer. So since we're at the computer, I thought I would go over a couple things that may potentially help anyone's business. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so I want to show you and explain what I'm doing right now. So I am on my Beacons profile, and I'm just making sure that there's nothing that need my immediate attention. So it looks like I made about 2 sales since I've been gone, and that was just yesterday. So since yesterday, I made about 2 sales, but I don't have to do anything for these because these are digital sales. So if someone were to have bought my ebook, then I would have had to go, if someone would have bought my glue, I would have had to go to the post office, but right now I don't have to go to the post office. So I'm going to do some email marketing. I love doing email marketing. It works so good. And I'm going to get into things like that in other videos. I want to start going over like the business side of lashing, because there's so much that goes into that side as well. It's not just all the work and the craftsmanship. It's a lot that goes into this, especially if you want to grow and expand. So I'm going to be making videos about that. And right now I'm going to do my email marketing and just make sure I'm not missing anything as far as any review, making sure I'm not missing any inquiries or even any emails, because oftentimes brands will reach out to you after you start expanding and just doing more content on different platforms. Brands will reach out to you. So I'm going to be going over things like that as well once I start getting into the business series. So after I make sure that my assistant is not needed, then I'm going to go and stack my lash cart. So stay tuned for that, and let me finish this and we're going to get right back to the rest of the video.
So I'm officially done with work for the day, and I normally try to get this out the way early, but I'm gonna head to the gym now that I'm done with everything. And y'all, I have been getting some great results in the gym. Okay, let's never forget that health is wealth, and always prioritize your health, because everything else will follow suit after you do that. So I'm gonna head back home, get showered up, and we're gonna unbox this new brand. Yeah, I don't know why I'm so excited to open this box. Like, it's just a box. But I love boxes. Like, I think that's the real thing. I really do like boxes. But okay, this is so cute. So I just wanted to dump everything out. But of course, I'm going to flip everything over and go through everything that's in this box. So right now, I am holding the Super Bonder. And I've never used this one in particular. But I do recommend Super Bonder for anybody who is a beginner up to expert. You definitely want to use Bonder to give your client better retention. I've even heard some people put Bonder inside of the glue ring, like with the actual glue. I've never done that personally, but hey, some people swear by it, so I may try it one day. I don't know, but I really do recommend the Bonder, so make sure that you grab that, okay? So the crazy thing about these tweezers is that I've seen so many people use different things. Like, I personally do not use the 90-degree tweezer to place, but I know so many people who do. I will use them to make my pre-made fans, but personally I prefer a 45-degree tweezer when I'm placing, but that's just my preference, you know. I've seen people use so many different things, so just find what works for you. So I'm going to set these extensions over to the side for a minute, because I'm actually going to be opening them and doing a little feel test just to see how fluffy they are and see if they're soft. So they pretty much sent me everything that you would need for a lash set, pretty much like a mini starter kit. So they sent me eye pads, they sent tape, they sent glue rings, they sent me a little pad to put the extensions on if you don't want to put it on your hand, and they also sent glue and primer. So as far as the tape, I already used their tape for some sets. I normally like to use a clear tape because it just shows up a little bit better for the iPads that I use, and sometimes the pink tape can kind of blur my vision a little bit, but I do like the pink tape because it's not super sticky, so it works better for clients who may have sensitive skin because it's not going to be too harsh on them. So here is the extensions, y'all. I put it on the little iPad, and for the most part they are super soft and super fluffy, so I cannot wait to use this on an actual client. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and I hope to see you guys in my new and upcoming videos. See you guys soon. Bye.